For the past decade, we have watched the slow, theoretical evolution of autonomous warfare. But starting tomorrow, the theories end and the live-fire reality begins. Welcome to EdgeVerse Intelligence. The global defense landscape is about to experience a massive seismic shift. From May 5th to May 9th, 2026, the doors are opening at the Istanbul Expo Center in Türkiye for SAHA 2026. This is officially one of the most critical international defense and aerospace exhibitions on the planet. This is not just a showcase, it is a display of sheer scale. Organized by SAHA Istanbul, Europe's largest industrial cluster, the event spans over 100,000 square meters of exhibition space. It is bringing together over 1,700 exhibiting companies from more than 120 countries. We are talking about over 100,000 expected visitors, including high-ranking military officials, procurement heads, and deep tech innovators from 4 different continents. But why is SAHA 2026 so incredibly important for the future of algorithmic warfare? Because this event is fundamentally focused on unmanned systems, artificial intelligence, and integrated digital technologies. Let's break down exactly what is happening on the floor. First, we are seeing an unprecedented focus on live, high-intensity tactical demonstrations. We're moving past static displays. SAHA 2026 is hosting the FPV Drone Challenge, which will test real-time aerial capabilities in racing and tactical combat scenarios. Alongside it is the UGV, or Unmanned Ground Vehicle Challenge, designed to push autonomous ground navigation and mission performance to their absolute limits. Türkiye has rapidly become a global superpower in unmanned systems, and they are bringing their heaviest hitters to this expo. For naval dominance, the Turkish naval forces are deploying the TCG Anadolu right in Istanbul. This is a monumental piece of engineering. It stands out as the world's very first UAV ship, acting as a floating autonomous launchpad. And the air and defense network side, defense giant Aselsan is unveiling new capabilities to expand their advanced steel dome integrated defense concept.
Meanwhile, TCG is continuing to push the boundaries of manned and unmanned air dominance with their national fighter aircraft, Khan. Over 200 new products are expected to be introduced at this event alone, many of them as absolute world premieres. But the innovation doesn't stop in the atmosphere. Space is the ultimate high ground, and SAHA 2026 is dedicating massive resources to the orbital battlefield. The event features a dedicated space pavilion and the Space Dome area, hosting 4 specific Space Talks sessions. Furthermore, engineers will compete in the SAHA Rover Challenge, focusing strictly on the design of durable, autonomous, space-grade robotic exploration vehicles. This event is a massive strategic leverage point. Over 30 B2B meetings and 160 signing ceremonies are planned to forge direct supply chain matches and international strategic partnerships. Major global players, including a prominent UAE pavilion featuring Edge Group and ADNEC, are setting up hubs to facilitate high-level defense collaboration. If you want to know what the battlefields and orbits of 2030 will look like, the blueprints are being drawn right now in Istanbul. I will be tracking all the major product launches, drone capabilities, and AI defense networks coming out of SAHA 2026 all week long. This is EdgeVerse Intelligence. Make sure you hit subscribe, turn on notifications so you don't miss our upcoming deep dives into the tech revealed at this event, and I will see you in the next breakdown.